On the layout page, please carefully review the instructions provided on the left-hand side before proceeding with the system layout. Use the tool in the upper right corner to draw the roof area where you plan to install the solar modules. Make sure to create a closed area by connecting the final point back to the starting point. Once you finish drawing the area, click the white arrow and adjust its direction so that it points toward the gutter side or lower edge of the roof. You can also enter the direction value manually if you know the exact orientation. Repeat the same process to draw additional roof areas as needed. You can also use the circle tool to mark any roof obstacles, such as vents, skylights, or other areas where solar modules cannot be placed. Once you have finished defining all the roof areas, click the Generate Design button to create the system layout. Now you will see the multiple roof areas that you just created. The arrow shown on each roof area indicates the gutter direction, or the lower side of the roof, where rainwater naturally flows. The module orientation setting allows you to quickly adjust the orientation of all modules within the selected roof area. You can also change the orientation of individual modules separately, or delete specific modules as needed. You can also add modules. Or you can move the selected modules. The V or H on the left side will adjust the rail orientation. We will illustrate later. The turning icon will turn that whole roll module accordingly. If you only want to adjust the rail orientation or module orientation of a specific panel, click that panel first. Then, use the V, H, or rotate icon on the right-hand side to make the desired adjustment. Once you have confirmed the layout of each module, you can select the products you plan to use for the project, such as the product series, rail length, color, roof mounting type, and other applicable system options. For the rafter spacing, you can either select a standard spacing of 16-inch or 24, or enter a custom spacing based on the project requirements. For the bracket spacing, if you leave this field blank, the system will automatically determine the spacing based on the calculated maximum allowable spacing and the selected mounting method, such as rafter mounting or deck mounting. If you turn on the skirt option, the final BOM will automatically include the required skirt components and related installation hardware. The next few fields allow you to set the clearance between the solar modules and the roof edge, the target number of modules for that roof area, and the module to rail end overhang distance. Once all settings are complete, click Calculate to generate the design results. If you make any changes to the design inputs afterward, click Recalculate to update the results. Here you can also see the difference when you turn on or off of the skirt. You can also see that switching between the V and H options changes the rail orientation and layout for the selected module area. Keep in mind that any changes made to the design area will require you to recalculate the results. All roof areas must be successfully calculated before you can proceed to the Generate BOM stage. If the design of a new roof area is similar to Area 1, you can click Copy Area 1 to quickly copy the existing settings and speed up the design process. Keep in mind that all roof areas must be calculated before you can proceed to the Generate BOM page. Now, click the Generate BOM button in the upper right corner to generate the Bill of Materials, BOM, for the project.